Hi guys, it's me Lauren from LJD3 and today we'll be doing the area of a quadrilateral. You may think because of the word quadrilateral it's hard, but it's not as hard as you think. So let's go. What is the area? An area of a two-dimensional shape is the space contained inside of it. For example, you have a room, all of the space where you put in the bedroom, the beds, the pictures, that is the area. As you can see, there's the colored area of the square or this two-dimensional shape right here. But always include meter square or inches square, the measurement and then square in your answer, or it will be incorrect. Do you want an incorrect answer or do you want to get it correct on your test? Let's learn how to find the area using a grid. I'm using 1 by 1 centimeter squares, which means our measurement is centimeters. So in square 1 or rectangle 1, we have to remember it's centimeters. We're going to count how many small squares are inside of our shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that will be 20, but is that correct? No, it's not. Because you need to put centimeter square. Now let's go to number 2. You can see that there's halves there. So 2 halves equal 1 whole. Remember that. So these are halves. You count the halves separately. That's the easier way, but what I would do, I would say 2 halves, and count it. But before, let's write on the top. 2 halves equals 1 whole. Now, let's count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that answer is not 20. We have to go to our halves. That was just for the full squares. We're going to go. We have 2 halves and the next 2 halves. So 2 halves equals 1 whole. That's 21. And then the next one we have 22. So therefore our answer is 22 centimeter squared. Or an easier way to do it, we have our same example. You would like to count the width and the length because our formula is length times width. The width is how much across, length going down. As you can see, we have about 5 going across and 4 going down. So let's see, let's write that on the screen so we understand. I'm now writing the length, and now I'm writing the width. Multiply that together to get the 20 and add your meter square. Therefore, your answer will equal, drumroll please, 20 meters square. So, do you see how that equals the same thing as that? That's an easier way to do it without having to count all of it. Let's go to a blank screen and work a couple more out. So, let's write our question on the screen now. We're writing, we have our square, and this square, let's say it's 6 meters as the width and 6 meters at the length of course, because it's a square. Squares have 4 equal sides, therefore all of them measure the same. So you see 2 parallel lines showing that they all measure 6 meters. Now we're going to multiply our length times our width again, because that is our formula. So that means we're going to multiply 6, so remember 6, which is our length, by 6, which is our width. Again, length is going down and width is going across. You could see the arrows showing that on my PowerPoint. Let's go now. 6 times 6. What does 6 times 6 equals? Do you guys know your multiplication times table? 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. And 6 times 6, 36. Our answer is 36. Perfect. So now we add our meter square and we get 36 meters squared. Now, let's go to something a little tiny bit harder, or maybe a lot. We're going to go to a rectangle. With this rectangle, it's your teacher's desk maybe. So let's go. We're going to add our length onto there. We need a hard number because you're not always going to get easy numbers. So let's go with 24 meters. And how about our length? So our width is 24 meters. Our length could be 12 meters. Now, first you're gonna have to multiply these two. And remember, multiplying your width times length, length times width. Your formula, 24 times 12 times 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 2, 4. Add your smiley face, that's the method I use. 1 times 4, 4. And 1 times 2, 2. Add that together. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 0, 2. And now, add your meter square and you get 288 meters squared. If you're on a test paper and you needed to write it out, write meters and then squared. Bye! Make sure you like, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, click that notification bell to see more educational videos. See ya! Woo!